hotter as you go across the water into France, because to the south of Paris we're expecting temperatures today up around 34, and that's 94 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the hot weather is going to continue across France and across many southern and eastern parts of Europe for several days to come. I suppose almost inevitably though there will be some downpours of rain, there will be some thunderstorms too, notably around Scandinavia and across into the Ukraine as well. But for many southern parts into the Mediterranean it's going to be hot sunshine virtually all the way. Now coming further north, we have got some downpours developing now around the Brest Peninsula, and these storms out of Biscay through northwest France are going to become more dominant and affect the British Isles as we go through the next 36 hours or so. But closer to home then, we've got some temperatures this afternoon up around 27 in the south, a little bit cooler around some of the coasts as the breezes set in, but even so pretty warm across the north as well, and 21 to 23 is certainly on the cards across central southern Scotland and into Northern Ireland. Pretty strong sun still, despite the fact that we're 2 months since the longest day. Now a lot of sunshine around, as I say. There is some cloud across the north, notably through northern parts of Scotland, giving the odd spot of drizzly rain there, and some thicker clouds still affecting the far southwest of England and close to the Channel Islands. And it's at opposite ends of the country really where there is any wind to speak of, quite breezy in the far north, and again a bit of a breeze blowing in from the east along the English Channel. Now also in the Channel we've got those colours showing up on the radar screen. There are some showers close by to the Channel Islands, and it's here and again into southwest England where we could still catch some downpours in the next few hours. But elsewhere lots of sunshine to come this afternoon. Much hazier the sun though as you go north of Manchester, for example. And then tonight, well, still the odd splash of drizzle up in the far north of Scotland, an increasing threat all the while of some downpours affecting southwestern parts of England and maybe even South Wales come breakfast time tomorrow. It'll be a pretty warm night in the south here with the wind blowing still, but I think temperatures could get down to 6 to 9 degrees from central Scotland into the North Midlands. Well, the high pressure is going to give way in the next couple of days as we see low pressure developing from the south, and as that low pressure comes along there really are going to be a few problems. It certainly looks like that Friday evening onwards into Saturday we could see some pretty heavy downpours of rain, some thunderstorms and a risk of flooding. I think probably the west and the north will see the worst of this rain. But for Friday many of us will still see some hot sunshine. Again we're looking at temperatures of around 25 to 28 degrees possibly in some of those central and eastern areas, but it's in the southwest where the showers and storms will gather and they'll start to spread northwards pretty quickly late on in the day. That's it from me, just for now.